Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today let's gonna show you a rainy evening day vlog, and this is my room. Okay, let's get into the vlog. This is my favorite vlog. See that it's raining outside of the evening of the 6 5 p.m. I'm gonna glazing this keychain. This is my mom. Now I'm gonna open the. Now we start the glazing. This keychain that I made it at home when I did fell on water, so it faded the paint. Now we're gonna glaze it today. The homey keychain I have one hook and next hook. This is my cycle keychain. Now I'm gonna use water for rubbing the paint. Spill the correct sides. See that this is my first vlog, so don't know how to speak. So next we can continue our vlog. This keychain was made up by because I heard see on sugar cane charms who make cute keychains and charms. This is homemade full porcelain clay which looks like that. This recipe is take 1 cup of corn flour, 1 cup of glue, 1 cup of oil and mix into it and dump all the things in a bowl and mix to it, then store in refrigerator for 8 hours and you take it moving called porcelain clay looks like that. It's very strong when heated. So now I have a feeling that the paint was not removing. So I have a next hook. So I have a next hook. I made the keychain but it was broke down into pieces. So I have two keychains. So let's see how. I had a Doraemon pencil topper. It had stick in it. The Doraemon has very cute. Now I have a keychain ring holder. Now I attach it, but it's not attached. It's not the copper wire is not strong. Taking the safety pin and cut into it. Taking a safety pin round place and cutting into it and fitting it. Now it's perfectly fitted. Now Doraemon looks so cute. Now I attach the key ring into the Doraemon. I don't know to how I don't know to take videos, so please I'm blabbering in what I okay. The Doraemon keychain has ready. It looks so cute. Let's fit it into the keychain. So the cute keychains are very cute. Now I keep my cycle keychain. The two cuties. So it looks like so cute. I love the two bunnies, the bunny and the Doraemon. Now see my cycle key, it looks so beautiful. Bye.